Hello there, this is Pauline Ha, your San Francisco Bay Area real estate advisor.
Crown Colony, a place you can proudly come home to, with many value-added amenities: clubhouse, swimming pool, sauna, exercise room, basketball and tennis court, and much more. This 2-bedroom unit features 2 walk-in closets, 2 balconies, and a deeded parking.
At Crown Colony, you're also minutes away from all the daily essentials, shopping malls, restaurants, and public transportation. This is Pauline, and I look forward to meeting you.